Hi you guys, I am Kendra with MoxieLash, and this is my very sexy husband, Ezra, and he is going to be doing my makeup for our smoking hot date.
So here's the deal. I told her, I said, I'll do your makeup, but then you have to leave it on for the entire time. She's still on the fence on that, but I think it's going to look that good. She's going to want to do it.
We'll see about that. We'll really see about that. Actually, remember when you got offered a position at Sephora?
Yeah, we're going to talk about that.
We're talking about it.
I was on a date, not with my wife.
Oh.
Before we met.
Oh.
And yeah, I was doing this girl's
fun.
makeup as a joke, and then the manager walked up and he offered me a job on the spot.
And here we are today.
Yeah, but you're the makeup artist. Let's get that very straight.
All right. So yeah, he's gonna be doing my makeup. We're gonna be using the Dramatic Lash Kit. He gets to choose whichever lash he wants, but my hope is that he uses the Sassy Lash.
No, I'm going big or going home.
I love all of these, but I'm definitely more like on the everyday, like I love the Sassy. But the Bossy is real fun too.
What's this middle one right here?
That one is, let's look at the box. That one's Money. So we have Sassy, we have Money, and then we have Bossy. And then the kit also comes with the MoxieLash magnetic liner and then the applicator. So you're gonna have loads of fun.
Let's do this.
All right, let's do this. So this is for our smoking hot date.
All right.
Better be smoking hot.
Better. I'm nervous now.
Yeah,
let's
do this.
I'm going Money Boss. Can I do both? Can I like one on top of the other? No.
Well, you could, because you can easily switch these out because it's
right. I'm saying, can I do that? Can we do two? Like, can we go like
that? Would be
like
weird.
Lashes on lashes.
We could. We could try that. All right, let's do this.
All right, let's go. So what I do first?
On. First thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna prime my eyelids. So add a little bit of that to my eyelid.
Primer potion. Okay. Right above your eyelashes.
Like on my whole eyelid.
Okay. Stuff does not, like how high up, all the way to your brows?
Yeah, and then just like blend it in, tap it in.
Tap it in?
With your fingers.
Oh, okay. Now, I've watched like enough of your tutorials over the years. I should have.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You should know how to tap that.
All right, we're gonna do that. Didn't mean it like that.
Yeah, you did.
All right, what's
so
next?
Now you're gonna put on just a little bit of eyeshadow. We're just gonna make this super simple, okay?
Super simple.
So you're gonna use, he's gonna use, well, you can choose. This is your makeup look, so
yeah.
just be gentle.
Use some,
let's just go in this direction, not in that
direction. Mooner.
Mooner?
Mooner. Nooner.
Nooner?
You like Nooner or no?
Sure.
Well, there's Liar.
I kind of like this gold color. Let's do that.
It's called Trick.
It's Trick. Show me how you can trick.
Check out these eyes.
Check out these eyes. So you're gonna tap.
Like
well,
that.
I'll just I won't be controlling.
Yeah, let's not try to be controlling for once.
I think you're like just stabbing my eyelid, but other than that.
Is that good? I've only done this once before.
Kind of like sweep and then
sweep. Okay. Like that.
Sure.
Like I'm painting something.
Yeah, that's exactly what you're doing. You're painting.
Close your eye. Don't be in control. It's gonna be great. You're gonna look fine. It's a little bit thicker on this side. Now you guys want to use full strokes here and back and forth. Cover the eye. Look at that. Look at that right now. That looks.
I can't see.
You can't see. Use your Moxie mirror.
Yeah, you're doing a pretty good job.
You're doing a great job.
Wowzers.
Okay,
now you're gonna put on your
Strange.
Put Strange underneath my brow bone.
No liars today?
Got no liars.
You say underneath your brow bone. What does that mean?
This is my brow.
Okay.
And just put it right underneath.
Right, just on top of the other one? Or...
Like you wanna like blend it so that they kind of like blend into each other.
Okay.
Like when you're making love. Blend
Close
it.
your eyes. Stop it. There'll be lots of that after this date.
Oh, wowzer.
Baby number 4.
Baby number 4.
It's coming. After tonight.
And you'll be taking care of baby number 4 fully by yourself.
Every so often, Kendra will get a baby fix and I'll call friends that have babies and say, hey, come over, and she'll hold them and she'll feel much better. And then I'm like, great, she got a fix.
Well done.
Looks phenomenal, huh?
Yeah.
You could have done it better yourself. Maybe. Actually, probably.
Okay, now
Might need more of these colors?
I think we're good. So now we're gonna...
Burn out?
No. Okay. We have not put on any blush, or we can do that afterwards. So.
All right.
So this is where...
This is the part I'm nervous about because...
Yeah, I mean...
If I get this in your eye...
You've never done liquid liner before, so this could be
never
interesting.
done anything like this before.
First, we're gonna shake it up. Okay. So the thing about the liquid liner, is you always want to like swipe it off very gently before you get more product in and out. So we're just gonna.
Stop being dirty. She's so dirty. My goodness.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna dip it in here. You're gonna remove the excess so that it's not like thick.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put it, when you're putting it on, you want it to be as close to my lash line as possible.
Okay.
Short strokes.
Okay. So not like one long one, but like
and just make
Is that enough to cover the whole one eye?
Possible. Yeah. Okay.
And start like right inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn toward me.
So now what you're gonna want to do is you just want to like even that out because it's a little jaggedy at this point.
It was jagged in one spot, and that's because you moved.
Oh, it's my fault now.
Kind of do like a little up and down. Is that good?
Yeah. Make it a little like, see how there's a gap in between here and here.
Yep. Turn your head towards me. How's that?
I mean, I feel like that's pretty good for a first go round. I might have to fix it for you though. Just like.
She's so controlling.
Like
that's what she's done for 12 years of our marriage. She's
like, see the gap right there?
Your face right now.
There's a big gap, but that's okay. Just fill it in.
Oh, you know, I could go all the way down into your lashes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's where you want to go.
Oh, I thought you were above it.
So we're gonna let this sit for 2 minutes because that's how long it takes for this to dry. And it's very important to let it dry.
I have to start on the inside. Can I start with the outside?
Can you try to do it with your left hand?
No, it's gonna be awful.
All right.
Try it.
No. Oh. Okay, go.
Your face right now is hysterical. Don't laugh. You just made me go back. I'm sure it's fast now. That's a lot quicker, huh?
Wow, that's fun.
The course correct. Being a girl is a lot of work.
Okay, so I'm just gonna fix it a little tiny bit because I don't think it's fixable.
It's not fixable?
It's okay. We'll just put on the lashes anyways. The thing about these lashes, what I do like about them is that they are bigger, so you can just kind of...
So should we go really big then today?
No, let's do that, because then what I think I'm gonna do is actually take some darker eyeshadow and like put it over blend it in a little bit so that
Can I just take my hands and do it, or do I use this guy?
So we're gonna take this guy, but I need to let this dry. So while this is drying, why don't you put on my blush real fast? Put on my blush and my bronzer.
What's blush and bronzer? Is that on your cheeks?
So bronzer is like a 3.
Okay. And this is bronzer or
this is
blush?
Bronzer.
Okay. So a 3?
Like a 3
Like starting right above your...
Yes.
Okay, don't quick wait for it. Relax.
Okay, at the side.
That feels good. You're like, yes.
Could you do this every night while I fall asleep? Thank you. Yeah, that works. I'll take care of these things afterwards. Okay, now this is the blush. It's called Raspberry. It's very bright, so you just need like a little dab, and then you're just gonna like dab it onto my...
Same brush?
Yeah.
Just a little dab.
Just a little tiny dab.
What am I doing here?
Just you're gonna like...
Don't do it. Okay. I don't think it came out.
Oh yeah, it's there.
Oh yeah. I just don't want to be like some ladies, you know? Some ladies that you see and it's just like, okay, whoa.
Like, whoa.
You made out with a clown.
Actually, you did a really good job with that.
Just a little dab. That's all I did.
Okay, now I'm gonna
dab that.
Test and see if this is dry. So I tested it, and product still came off, so that means it's not dry yet.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this.
Do you need like a hair drag?
So pretty. Just next level stuff.
Next level.
Next level stuff right here. Oh, why don't you do my lip gloss while we're waiting? Let's do, you can either choose this color or this color.
Let's go darker.
Okay,
What's the secret to this?
just put it on.
Just put it on. Got a little warm up.
Good job. All right, these are totally done. So let's grab.
Should I just grab it with like the tweezer stuff?
Yep. And put it really close to my lash line.
Oh whoa, that really does like just clicks on there.
Yeah.
It's amazing. This magnet stuff is no joke.
No joke.
Okay, like cherry just right on top of it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, so this is what we got. Good job.
I'm the best.
You are. You're amazing. Let me
Sephora, call me anytime.
Oh, actually, Moxie.
Moxie, call me anytime.
Moxie, call it.
Moxie, not Sephora.
But for real though, when you are doing this, you want to make sure that it's really close to your lash line. So, if you do need to adjust anything, you can use their tweezers and kind of pull them down. But yeah, this is the look we have. I don't think you did too bad for like your first go at it.
So are you gonna wear it though? You're gonna wear it out for a date.
We're gonna consider it.
We're gonna consider, which means no.
We're gonna.
My controlling wife is gonna like take
gonna
everything off and redo it.
Consider it.
Maybe you can post something on your blog about like the before and after.
Yeah. Thanks for doing my makeup.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the $500 meal you're gonna take me to now.
No, you're paying for dinner because I did this. That was the goal.
Okay.
That was the goal.
Okay, cool. All right, love
I
you.
love you.
Mwah. Bye, guys.